Saniflo has developed a new innovation in plumbing technology, the Saniplus macerating toilet system.
These ingenious systems allow your customers to install a bathroom or powder room anywhere they like in existing buildings, even in awkward places that would otherwise require expensive structural work and specialized pumping equipment. Saniplus makes it possible to convert an attic or basement into an extra bedroom with adjoining bath, add facilities to a guest room, or create an easily accessible facility for an elderly or disabled person. Saniplus uses a rotating cutting blade to grind up waste materials, toilet paper, and water. Then, the resulting slurry is pumped away in small diameter piping. The system is connected to a spigot outlet toilet and used to build a complete bathroom. Saniplus is suitable for a toilet, a sink, a shower, and a bathtub. Now, when customers install macerating toilet systems, there are some special considerations they need to pay attention to. Here's what your customers need to know to ensure optimal performance of a Saniplus macerating system. Before beginning the installation, be sure that the system will be located no more than 12 feet below the sewer level or 150 feet away from a soil stack. It's also important to make certain that a GFCI electrical outlet is accessible to plug in the macerating system. Finally, note that the fixtures being connected to the macerating system must all be located on the same level of the building. The first step in installation is to prepare the macerating pump unit. For Saniplus systems, install the discharge elbow into the round opening in the lid. Then press down and twist the elbow at the same time. The macerating system will pump a maximum of 12 feet vertically or 150 feet horizontally with a 1/4 inch per foot gravity fall to the point of discharge. For every 3 feet of vertical distance the discharge pipe travels, it's necessary to subtract 30 feet of horizontal distance from the maximum. If a vertical lift is required, it should come before any horizontal run to allow for efficient pumping. An uphill pipe run must not be used because solid materials will settle in the lowest part of the pipe run, and eventually this accumulation may block the pipe. The macerating pump unit must have at least 3 feet of discharge pipe before transitioning to a larger pipe size. This allows the macerator to operate for an adequate time to ensure efficient waste reduction. It's also important that all discharge pipe be rigid wall pipe. Flexible or semi-flexible pipe should not be used because it may distort over time. Also, ensure that all pipes susceptible to freezing are adequately insulated. The discharge pipe work must be connected to the sewer or soil stack with an approved TY fitting. To do this, cut a hole in the sewer pipe or stack pipe, install the TY fitting, then insert an appropriately sized reducing bushing for the discharge pipe. Now, once the macerating pump unit is placed in the desired location, it needs to be connected to the discharge pipe work. Since the material exiting the unit is under pressure, it's very important this connection be made correctly. Saniplus features a rubber connector which secures the discharge pipe to the discharge elbow with a gear clamp. Installing a full port ball or gate valve in the lower portion of the discharge pipe will facilitate later removal of the macerating pump unit. If local housing code requires connecting to a vent system, the dome on the right side of the lid of the macerating pump unit needs to be cut. The supplied accordion connector should then be slipped over the shoulder, and you can finish the vent system in 1.5 inch PVC or ABS pipe. Next, the toilet needs to be installed. The tank comes with the fill and flush valves pre-assembled. However, it's important to ensure that all screws, nuts, and other fasteners are tightened securely before proceeding with the connections. Finally, hook the toilet up to the water supply by connecting the supply hose to the fill valve. Plug in the power cord, and the Saniplus system is ready for use. To learn more about Saniplus macerating systems, call 800-363-5874 or visit their website at www.saniflo.com for helpful tips and product information.
When you offer the Saniplus system from Saniflo, you'll give your customers the ability to install a bathroom anywhere they want, for less than they think.